Wild Bear today feels amazing. Being able to take the kids out into the forest to explore and play and be outside yesterday for the first day of camp was incredible.
We have been so lucky to be able to develop a safe and fun and engaging program for these kids. And we've been getting a ton of support from the community to help us get some of these supplies. We've gotten a lot of donations, and some of the things we've done with those donations have created individual supply packs, so everyone has their own gear ready for each day. They also come with a Wild Bear little beautiful little mask. And these are great because they can go down when they're hiking and their distance, and then up when they're closer together.
We're providing kids with outdoor experiences. Yeah, and the first camper who showed up yesterday was so excited, loves science. It just feels great. It feels really wonderful to be able to be a part of it and provide this for the community of Nederland and people from Boulder County.
We created a playscape out on our property over by Mud Lake, and little forts for the kids to play in, outdoor tic-tac-toe, all sorts of amazing things that the first couple of days of camp the kids were so excited and adding to as well, creating their own additional forests and cool little art structures. And I just can't wait to see how that progresses over the summers and how much the kids are falling in love with that area that we get to call home around here. On top of that, the playscape is a great way to facilitate just free play. We want to create these facilitated experiences for kids to learn and engage and socialize with one another. But I think one of the most important things about being outdoors and getting a connection is that's that freedom to explore. Especially in today's day and age, kids are so busy all the time. They have so many activities and so much homework that I think sometimes we forget to just let them dig in the dirt and play and run and hang out by trees. So when we're thinking about many of the modern issues when it comes to the planet and the human race, we can think of things like climate change. And that's a big, big issue, and it has a lot of different symptoms that arise, and COVID-19 pandemic is just one of those many symptoms. And so when we think of applying the idea of how do we start to address these issues, I think environmental education, getting kids out there is a huge way, because then being able to be exposed to how we are nature and we're not separate of it. I think modern day society, especially during this pandemic, a lot of times we're distracted by the media and screens and so much indoor time. So being able to put that away and go out and interact with the world and really engage with the changes we're seeing with plants and animals and all that sort of stuff can really help kids disconnect from screens and connect with the earth and what's really going on, and empower them to make their voices heard and make change as they're growing up and becoming current and future stewards of our beautiful planet.
What is your favorite part about getting to be outside again, back in Wild Bear?
Every day. I like also seeing the animals. Playing with other kids during this quarantine.
Imagine a child going out into the forest all day long. They have so many amazing stories that they come home with to share, whether it's the birds that are buzzing around the nature center in the morning, or a cool thing they found or got to build in the woods. I think it means the world to the families that they were able to enroll their children in our programs.
It seems lately that we humans have been appreciating nature more and more, getting outside and understanding that nature heals. And Wild Bear has been 100% committed to working together with agencies to develop the right guidelines to keep children safe and our staff safe. I am so proud of our Wild Bear team for making this commitment to children and nature.
Wild Bear nature, see the forest through the trees. I love